Welcome back to the Queen of Trucks channel, where we share dashcam footage of car collisions and lessons learned from challenging roads. Here is a high-speed driving situation. The damage it causes is truly terrifying. It was very fortunate that the side of the road was a dry field. Stay in control of your speed. The truck drove up onto the curb. Perhaps the driver dozed off. What do you think? The vehicle then overturned in the middle of the road. Fortunately, it didn't collide with any other vehicles. The situation was too sudden for the vehicles behind the dump truck's tire blew out, sending the axle flying off the chassis. And then both vehicles went off the cliff. The driver of the car tried to avoid it but couldn't because it happened suddenly. Everyone, look to the left side of the screen. This is a car collision. One vehicle deliberately ran a red light and crashed into another car that was traveling in the correct lane. Lesson: we must absolutely never run a red light. A vehicle recklessly overtook another at high speed, but encountered an oncoming vehicle and caused a serious accident. Do not overtake when it is not safe, especially at high speed. A car was driving at high speed on a busy street and failed to react in time when the vehicle ahead braked suddenly, causing a multi-vehicle collision. Always maintain a safe following distance and do not exceed the speed limit. A driver in a hurry to get to work tried to speed through a red light just as the signal changed. As a result, the vehicle was hit by another car that had the green light. Do not break the law out of haste. Safety is always more important than saving time. A car was speeding through an intersection without traffic lights and collided with a vehicle on the priority road. It was a head-on collision between two cars. Slow down and carefully observe at intersections without traffic lights. This is also a similar situation to the previous video, an intersection where the vehicle was traveling at excessive speed. Do not overtake recklessly, especially when visibility is limited. It was raining and the road was slippery, but the car was still speeding, which led to loss of control and a collision with the median barrier. This situation shows that the driver was very inexperienced and lacked proper observation and anticipation of potential hazards. You must carefully observe all directions. A driver was driving at high speed at night, and due to limited visibility, they failed to notice an obstacle ahead. An intersection like this, taken at high speed, shows just how dangerous it can be. Drive very slowly at intersections. The driver was negligent and not observant, even though they were on a priority road. Be careful when driving at intersections. Driving a passenger car is a familiar daily activity, but in reality it carries many risks if the driver lacks sufficient awareness and skills. Every traffic situation can become dangerous within seconds if the driver is careless, subjective, or handles situations incorrectly. One of the most common causes of accidents is speeding. When a vehicle is traveling at high speed, reaction time is significantly reduced, making it difficult for the driver to respond to sudden situations such as the car in front braking suddenly, pedestrians crossing the road, or other vehicles cutting in. In particular, at intersections, junctions, and crossroads where traffic flows continuously across each other, failing to slow down can lead to head-on collisions or serious accidents. In addition to speed, not maintaining a safe following distance is also a major risk factor. When vehicles are too close together, a sudden brake from the car ahead can easily result in a chain collision. This type of accident often occurs on busy roads or during heavy traffic. Weather and environmental conditions also greatly affect driving safety. When it rains, slippery roads reduce tire grip. At night or in low visibility conditions, the ability to observe is significantly reduced. In such situations, if the driver continues to speed or fails to pay attention, the risk of losing control of the vehicle is very high, potentially leading to serious accidents. Another important factor is the driver's lack of experience and overconfidence. Many drivers, especially beginners, tend to underestimate dangers or fail to react in time to unexpected situations. Inability to anticipate risks such as vehicles coming from other directions, sudden braking ahead, or obstacles appearing on the road can lead to unfortunate consequences. In addition, traffic violations such as running red lights, reckless overtaking in areas with limited visibility, or ignoring traffic signs are major causes of serious accidents. These behaviors not only endanger the driver, but also threaten the lives of other road users. The most important lesson in traffic participation is always to prioritize safety. In any situation, whether the road is clear or crowded, the weather is good or bad, the driver must maintain appropriate speed, observe carefully in all directions, keep a safe distance, and strictly obey traffic laws. Caution, calmness, and responsibility are the key factors in preventing unfortunate accidents. Finally, every safe journey depends not only on driving skills but also on the driver's attitude. A moment of carelessness can lead to serious consequences, but with consistent caution and respect for traffic rules, we can fully protect ourselves and others on every journey. Thank you for watching the video. We hope the situations and lessons shared have helped you raise your awareness of road safety. Always remember that safety does not come from luck, but from careful actions behind the wheel. Don't forget to obey traffic laws, maintain a proper speed, stay alert, and always give way when necessary. A moment of slowing down can save an entire journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Wishing you safe driving on every road you take.